Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best dry erase is probably one of the most surprisingly essential tools for anyone from students brainstorming complex equations to professionals mapping out their next big project, offering unparalleled versatility and immediate feedback that traditional pen and paper simply can't match, making it a dynamic companion for creativity, organization, and collaborative problem solving in any setting. Number 5. Crayola Take Note Dry Erase Markers, 12 CT. Introducing the essential tool for classrooms and offices. These markers bring your ideas to life with vibrant precision. Each one features a broad line chisel tip. This design allows you to effortlessly create both thick, bold lines and fine, detailed strokes. Their vibrant colors ensure your messages stand out. They are perfect for making a strong impact on any whiteboard surface. An innovative ink level indicator is built into each marker. This handy feature lets you always know exactly how much ink remains, preventing surprises. Designed for teachers and students, they are a must-have for any learning environment. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This set features a handy ink level indicator, so you're never caught off guard during an important lesson or presentation. Its chisel tip allows for both thick and thin lines, making it versatile for various tasks. If you are a teacher or student who needs reliable markers with clear visibility of ink levels for consistent use, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews to extract points. Number 4. U-Brand's Glass Dry Erase Whiteboard 24 by 36. Introducing the U-Brand's Glass Dry Erase Whiteboard, a modern solution for your office, school, or home. This 24 by 36 frameless frosted board is designed to be stain and ghost resistant, ensuring a pristine writing surface every time. Boost your productivity and enhance your workspace with this sleek, frameless design. Its detachable marker tray keeps essentials handy, providing a clean and efficient writing experience perfect for collaboration. Built for daily use, it features shatter-resistant tempered glass and modern silver grommets. This high-quality board won't ghost or stain, and it even includes a marker and convenient tray to get you started. Installation is quick and easy with included hardware and instructions. You can mount it vertically or horizontally to fit any space, allowing more time for writing, planning, and organizing ideas. Experience a non-porous, ghost-proof surface that wipes clean every single time. Say goodbye to stains, smudges, or leftover marks, making it ideal for everyday writing and drawing in any environment. We are a team of designers and innovators passionate about creating well-designed products. Our goal is to provide tools that help you feel inspired and productive in your daily tasks. What we like. This whiteboard boasts a sleek frameless design and a premium glass surface. It's engineered to be completely stain and ghost resistant, ensuring a pristine look every time. If you are looking for a modern, durable, and easy-to-clean writing surface for a professional or stylish home office, this will elevate your space. What people say. Number 3. Mr. Pen Magnetic Dry Erase Labels 4x4. Discover the ultimate tool for organization. This 24-piece set provides ample space for all your notes and reminders. Each piece features a vibrant, colorful margin in one of 6 delightful shades. They bring a lively touch to any magnetic surface, from your fridge to your whiteboard. With a pristine white center, writing and erasing notes is incredibly easy. You can use them repeatedly, making them both practical and eco-friendly. These serve as both a vibrant decor piece and a handy organizational tool. Use them to leave messages, manage tasks, or create a colorful visual schedule in any space. Get creative with your displays. They can even hold light paper items like photos or drawings, transforming your magnetic surfaces into dynamic, colorful galleries. What we like. These magnetic labels offer a vibrant way to organize any magnetic surface. They are completely reusable, allowing for endless customization and rearrangement. If you like adding a splash of color to your organization and need flexible, repositionable labels for tasks or messages, these are perfect. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points can be extracted as per the instructions. Number 2. Crayola Take Note Chisel Tip Dry Erase Markers 4 Count. Introducing the Crayola Take Note Dry Erase Markers. This set includes 4 vibrant colors: black, blue, red, and green, perfect for all your writing needs. Never run out unexpectedly. They feature a convenient ink level display right on the side of the barrel, so you always know when it's time for a new one. Achieve both bold statements and fine details with ease. Their versatile chisel tip allows you to create thick, broad lines or thin, precise strokes. Say goodbye to smudges and messy boards. These markers dry quickly, preventing smearing while still being incredibly easy to erase. Experience the rich, vibrant colors Crayola is known for. They deliver bold, eye-catching messages that stand out on any dry erase surface. Enjoy a more pleasant writing experience. Their low-odor formula makes them ideal for use in classrooms, offices, and meeting rooms without strong fumes. What we like? These markers are designed with a quick-dry formula to prevent smearing, and they are low-odor, making them pleasant to use in any environment. Their chisel tip provides flexibility for different line widths. If you have a sensitive nose or need markers that dry almost instantly to avoid accidental smudges, these are a great pick. What people say. Number 1. BIC Intensity Advanced Dry Erase Markers 12 Count. This back-to-school season, when you purchase these markers, BIC will donate one to teachers and classrooms in need. It's a simple way to support education while getting your essential supplies. This 12-count pack of assorted colors is perfect for any learning environment. Whether for a teacher's desk, a classroom set, or a student's home study, they fit right in. The 4.2mm bullet tip creates neat, precise lines, ideal for personal whiteboards and small group instruction. They provide a reliable color set for lessons and marking, making learning clear and engaging. Experience smooth, consistent liquid ink that marks clearly on whiteboards and other non-porous surfaces. When it's time to change, they wipe off cleanly with a dry cloth, tissue, or felt eraser for quick transitions. Each marker writes for hours without running dry, ensuring you're always prepared. The clear barrel window shows the ink level, so you'll always know when to restock before running out mid-lesson. These markers are non-toxic, low-odor, and ACMI approved, making them safe for all school uses. The pack includes 12 vibrant colors, perfect for bringing your lessons and ideas to life. What we like? This set provides smooth, consistent liquid ink for clear, precise lines. It also features a visible ink level window, so you always know how much ink is left. If you are a student or teacher who values precision for detailed work and needs long-lasting markers with clear ink visibility, these are ideal. What people say. No reviews provided in the source JSON. No reviews provided in the source JSON. No reviews provided in the source JSON. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.